cutebabiestv.
God bless you. Oh my gosh, it was 4 in a row. That was 4 in a row. Do you have any more? Because your sneezes cracks up Aunt Erin. You gotta send it to her. God bless you. Oh my gosh, your sneezes are so funny. Your sneezes are so funny. Uh-oh. You have a sneeze stuck? Do you have one stuck? God bless you. God bless you. Are you good now? God bless you. Oh my God, it's like 10 million in a row. What's happening? You got mukes in your nose? What? Is it stuck? Uh-oh. God bless you. Oh my gosh, we got mukes in the nose? What? Are you done? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's stuck. I see it. Can you get it out? Do you think you can get it out? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's happening? Is it stuck or are you getting it out? Do you have one more sneeze in there? Oh, you poor thing. It's stuck.